Hello and welcome to the Spring Valley 2020 Virtual Arts Assembly. This one will be a little different than past years. I'm not sure if you're aware, but there's a global pandemic. So instead of having it in the auditorium, we're going to have it right here on YouTube. I know things have been a little different, but we have an excellent lineup of student artwork curated just for you with artwork, animations, an ensemble performance, and some fantastic student solos that were submitted to perform just for you right here on your computer from the safety from your home. So, first up will be selections of student artwork created by students in Art 1, Art 2, Art 3 drawing, printmaking, and our painting classes. It'll be followed by a recording of Spring Valley Chamber Orchestra performing Fugue in G minor, The Little, by Mozart. Enjoy.